If you've ever been curious about BSD operating systems but felt intimidated by their reputation, you're not alone. Many people hear terms like FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and NetBSD, and immediately assume they're only meant for experienced system administrators or developers. While BSD systems are incredibly powerful, they have traditionally required a deeper understanding of Unix-like operating systems before becoming comfortable enough for everyday desktop use. That's exactly where GhostBSD changes the story. GhostBSD is a desktop-focused operating system built on the solid foundation of FreeBSD, but it removes many of the barriers that have kept beginners away from the BSD world. Instead of expecting users to build everything from scratch, GhostBSD provides a polished, ready-to-use desktop experience that feels familiar from the very first boot. One of the biggest reasons GhostBSD stands out is its incredibly simple installation process. Unlike traditional BSD installations that often involve manually configuring partitions, network settings, and desktop environments, GhostBSD includes a modern graphical installer that guides users step by step. The interface is clean, easy to understand, and doesn't overwhelm new users with technical terminology. Within a short time, users can have a fully functional operating system installed and ready for everyday tasks without reading pages of documentation or spending hours troubleshooting. After installation, GhostBSD greets users with a complete desktop environment rather than an empty command line interface. By default, it uses the lightweight yet attractive Mate desktop, which offers a classic layout with an application menu, taskbar, system tray, and familiar navigation. Anyone coming from Windows or older Linux desktops will immediately recognize how everything works. This familiarity significantly reduces the learning curve, allowing users to focus on exploring BSD instead of learning a completely new way of interacting with their computer. Another major advantage is that GhostBSD comes with essential software already installed. Instead of forcing users to search for a web browser, file manager, Office applications, media players, or system utilities, many of these tools are available immediately after installation. This creates an out-of-the-box experience similar to popular Linux distributions. New users can browse the internet, watch videos, manage documents, and perform everyday computing tasks within minutes of completing the installation. Behind the friendly interface lies one of the most respected operating system foundations available today: FreeBSD. FreeBSD has earned a reputation for stability, performance, and reliability over decades of development. It powers servers, networking equipment, storage systems, and countless enterprise applications around the world. GhostBSD allows beginners to benefit from this proven technology without requiring them to understand every advanced aspect of the underlying operating system. Users enjoy the same reliable core while interacting through an approachable desktop environment. System stability is another area where GhostBSD shines. Many users report that once their hardware is properly supported, the operating system runs smoothly for long periods without unexpected crashes or performance issues. Because FreeBSD follows a carefully managed development model, updates are generally conservative and thoroughly tested. This focus on stability makes GhostBSD an appealing choice for users who simply want a dependable desktop that works consistently day after day. Security is also an important strength. BSD operating systems have long been respected for their security-focused design philosophy. GhostBSD inherits many of these security benefits from FreeBSD, while making them accessible to everyday desktop users. Regular security updates help keep the system protected, and the operating system avoids unnecessary background services that could increase the attack surface. For beginners, this means less time worrying about security configuration and more confidence using the system for daily work. Software management is often one of the biggest concerns for newcomers, but GhostBSD makes this process surprisingly straightforward. It supports FreeBSD's package management system, allowing users to install thousands of applications from official repositories. Whether someone needs development tools, graphics software, office suites, communication apps, programming languages, or multimedia applications, most popular open-source software is only a few commands or clicks away. Users who prefer graphical tools can also manage software without relying entirely on the terminal, making the learning experience much more comfortable. Performance is another reason many people enjoy GhostBSD. Because the operating system is relatively lightweight and avoids excessive background processes. It often feels responsive, even on older hardware. Applications launch quickly, memory usage remains reasonable, and the desktop stays smooth during normal workloads. Users with aging laptops or desktop computers may find that GhostBSD gives new life to hardware that struggles with more demanding operating systems. Hardware support has improved significantly over the years. Although it's worth mentioning that BSD systems still don't support every device as broadly as Linux or Windows. Fortunately, GhostBSD developers focus heavily on providing the best possible desktop experience. Many common laptops, desktop computers, wireless adapters, graphics cards, and peripherals work well right after installation. Before switching permanently, it's always a good idea to test the live environment to confirm compatibility with your specific hardware. Documentation and community support also make GhostBSD beginner-friendly. The project provides installation guides, user documentation, forums, and helpful online resources where newcomers can ask questions and solve problems. Since GhostBSD is based on FreeBSD, users can also benefit from the enormous collection of FreeBSD documentation available online. This combination gives beginners access to one of the richest knowledge bases in the open-source world. One unique aspect of GhostBSD is that it encourages learning without forcing it. Beginners can comfortably use the graphical interface for daily tasks while gradually exploring the command line whenever they feel ready. Over time, users naturally become more familiar with Unix commands, system administration, package management, and BSD concepts. This gradual learning process is far less intimidating than jumping directly into a minimal FreeBSD installation. Developers and programming enthusiasts also appreciate GhostBSD because it provides a clean and predictable development environment. Popular programming languages such as Python, C, C++, Rust, Go, Java, and many others are available through the package repositories. Combined with FreeBSD's reputation for consistency and excellent documentation, GhostBSD becomes a productive platform for software development while remaining accessible to newcomers. Another feature that deserves attention is the operating system's consistency. Because FreeBSD develops both the kernel and much of the userland together, the overall system often feels more integrated than environments assembled from many separate projects. GhostBSD benefits from this cohesive design while presenting everything through a polished desktop interface. The result is a desktop operating system that feels reliable, predictable, and thoughtfully organized. For users who value open-source software, GhostBSD represents an attractive alternative to commercial operating systems. There are no mandatory subscriptions, no advertising built into the desktop, and no aggressive data collection practices. Users remain in control of their computing experience, deciding what software to install and how their system should behave. This emphasis on user freedom has become increasingly appealing as many commercial operating systems continue adding unwanted online integrations and background services. Of course, GhostBSD isn't perfect for everyone. Certain commercial applications and games available on Windows or Linux may not have native BSD versions, and some hardware drivers can still be limited. However, for users focused on web browsing, programming, office work, media consumption, learning Unix, or simply exploring a highly stable operating system, these limitations are often minor compared to the benefits GhostBSD provides. In the end, GhostBSD successfully accomplishes something that very few BSD-based operating systems have managed to achieve. It makes the BSD ecosystem approachable without sacrificing the strengths that have made FreeBSD respected for decades. By combining an easy installation process, a familiar desktop environment, reliable performance, strong security, excellent documentation, and a welcoming community, GhostBSD offers one of the smoothest entry points into the BSD world. Whether you're a Linux user looking for something different, a Windows user interested in open-source alternatives, or simply someone curious about Unix-like operating systems, GhostBSD delivers a balanced experience that is both educational and practical. For beginners who want to discover everything BSD has to offer without feeling overwhelmed, GhostBSD remains one of the best desktop operating systems available today.